Rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Hello LEGO Math learners! Do you ever wonder why we need to round a given number? What does it even mean to round numbers or estimate? The answers to these questions are in the next few minutes of this video. Let's get started. Rounding numbers to the nearest 10 is a way to estimate numbers to the nearest 10. To estimate means to find an approximate calculation of the value, number, quantity, or extent of something. Let's try the following examples. Let's round 46 to the nearest 10. 40 is the lower 10 and 50 is the upper 10. Which 10 is nearer to 46? Is it 40 or 50? 46 is greater than 45 and 46 is near to the upper 10, 50. So we round it up to 50. 46 rounded to the nearest 10 is 50. We write it like this. The symbol tilde means is approximately equal to. So 46 is approximately equal to 50. Let's take a look at this next example. Let's round 64 to the nearest 10. Use the number line to help you. 60 is the lower 10 and 70 is the upper 10. Which 10 is nearer to 64? Is it 60 or 70? 64 is smaller than 65 and it is near to the lower 10, 60. So we round it down to 60. 64 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. 64 is approximately equal to 60. Let's have another example. What happens when we round 75 to the nearest 10? Any number that is at the midpoint between the lower and upper tens, we round that number to the upper 10. 70 is the lower 10 and 80 is the upper 10. So, 75 rounded to the nearest 10 is 80. 75 is approximately equal to 80. How about rounding 3 or 4-digit numbers to the nearest 10? Let's try this next example. Let's round 198 to the nearest 10. When rounding a 3, 4, or more digits to the nearest 10, we focus on the tens place. What are the lower and upper tens of 198? 190 is the lower 10 and 200 is the upper 10. Which 10 is nearer to 198? 190 or 200? 198 is greater than 195 and it is nearer to the upper 10, 200. So we round it up to 200. 198 is approximately equal to 200. Let's proceed to the next example. Let's round 3,573 to the nearest 10. Again, when rounding a 3, 4, or more digits to the nearest 10, we focus on the tens place. What are the lower and upper tens of 3,573? 3,570 is the lower 10 and 3,580 is the upper 10. Which 10 is nearer to 3,573? 3,570 or 3,580? 3,573 is smaller than 3,575 and it is nearer to the lower 10, 3,570. So we round it down to 3,570. 3,573 is approximately equal to 3,570. Alright! Lego math learners, it's now your turn to apply what you've learned from the lesson today. Let's have the following exercises. Round 27 to the nearest 10. Use the number line to help you. Pause the video and think about the answer. Play it again to see if your answer is correct. "27 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. We can also say 27 is approximately equal to 30. Did you get the correct answer? Let's have another exercise. Round 94 to the nearest 10. Use the number line to help you. Pause the video and think about the answer. Play it again to see if your answer is correct. "94 rounded to the nearest 10 is 90. We can also say 94 is approximately equal to 90. Is your answer correct? Let's have a final mind workout. Estimate the following. Round the numbers to the nearest 10. You have 487 pesos in your savings account. Your savings account is approximately equal to blank. Your carrot farm produced 1,241 carrots in a recent harvest. The number of your harvested carrots is approximately equal to blank. Pause the video and think about the answers. Play it again to see if your answers are correct. The answers are 490 pesos and 1,240 carrots. In today's lesson, we rounded numbers to the nearest 10 using the number line. Also, we understood that to estimate means to find an approximate calculation of the value, number, quantity, or extent of something. Great job, Lego math learners! I estimate that after a few times of practice, your math muscles will gain more strength and confidence in rounding numbers. Thank you for watching! Subscribe to Mr. Lego Math. And as always, just keep building and enjoy learning!